Welcome to the 40 Customs Baja Lightbar, Taillight and Light Module 2.0 installation video. An awesome combination of accessories for your Super 73ZX or Z Miami. In this video we will begin with installing the Light Module 2.0. If present, we need to remove the original light wiring harness first, by disconnecting the headlight and cutting the tie wraps that holds the harness in place. Next, we disconnect the harness underneath the seat. Disconnect the green connector with both orange arrows, and also disconnect the yellow tail light connector. Now we can swap out the harness for the Light Module 2.0. Connect the green male connector to the green female connector. And remove the back tape on the module, and place it underneath the seat. Next we replace the original tail light with the 40 Customs tail light with braking signal. And connect the new tail light with the Light Module 2.0. Tie wrap the harness back into place. Now we will remove the original light and replace it with the 40 Customs Baja Lightbar. Your Super 73 now has a fully functional 12-volt plug-and-play light system, compatible with all the Super 73 and 40 Customs lights. Make sure to check out our other installation videos and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching, and ride safe.